Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday, Newsday.
Newsday.
It's Misty and Jake. It's been a minute since we've done one of these.
Yes, it has.
Yeah, so it's good to be back here with you guys. Hope you guys are staying warm.
It is cold here.
It's so cold.
Also, yes, Chiefs games are wearing us out. Sorry, Bills fans.
That's true. What a game. That was a wild one. So I feel like I had a heart attack a million times watching that one.
Yes.
But, go Chiefs. We're excited. So that's fun.
But yeah, what's happening here? What's happening? We have a list of things we need to talk about.
Yes, Annie gave us a list of things that we needed to cover.
She's keeping us in line.
Yeah, it's just us. There's nobody here.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Yeah.
That is very dangerous. Don't give us a show. Some people might remember.
That's true. You get a little out of hand. But anyway, so I have a brand new tutorial that came out yesterday. So it is
Saved by the Bell.
Saved by the Bell, which was one of my favorite TV shows growing up,
The colors, I think that one really turned out awesome.
I do too. I love it. And it's so simple. So if you haven't watched that tutorial yet, be sure to check it out.
A little insider, because I was here when we were designing that, and I wanted it to be like biohazard. Like you could see how you could do like a biohazard with that quilt, because it's all 60-degree triangles. So like the yellow and black, I think that'd be really fun to put together. So if somebody wants to do that,
that's true, you could.
And then send a picture.
Jake really wants to see it. He would love to see it. But, I just thought it was that kind of like fun retro vibe.
Yeah, she made it way more happy and fun. I was thinking like nuclear war.
Nuclear waste is what he was thinking.
Yes, that's what I mean.
That's what you meant. But anyway, so that's super fun. And then I have another really fun project coming out next week. We're making like freeform flowers with Chenille It. And you know that I love Chenille It. I've used it a lot in my projects. Awesome. And this one was super fun because it kind of stretched me a little bit.
Super creative, and easy.
Yeah, so be sure to watch for that one next week as well. It's a good one. And then Natalie has a tutorial coming out this Friday. It's Natalie's honeycomb quilt, and it goes along with some new embroidery that we're launching called Garden Friends. So be sure to.
The embroidery is called Garden Friends?
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
And the new embroidery. Perfect. That's good. That's cool.
Yeah, so that'll be super cool. Natalie does amazing work on that, so I know you guys will enjoy it. And the other thing that I wanted to be sure and mention is hopefully you guys have seen my friend Amber Elliott from Alderwood Studio. So we got to film a tutorial together, and then she has some of her quilt patterns that she will be sharing here for the next little while on Fridays. You guys will get to check those out as well. She is such an amazing person and so incredibly talented, so be sure to check those out. We were so thrilled to have her here spending time with us.
Give her some love.
Yes,
put some comments in there.
Yeah, exactly. She's so great. So thank you, Amber, for coming and filming with me and spending time with us. It was a blast. I love it.
Yeah. So what? We're updates on our lives and stuff. What do we do?
We can. I think there's no one here to tell us.
Is there any other things on the checklist? Missouri Star Academy.
Yes, it's an academy year.
It's coming back?
Well, we do it every other year.
We do.
Every other year.
Okay.
Is Missouri Star Academy. So it is a Missouri Star Academy year. If you don't know what that is, we bring a whole bunch of designers and teachers from the industry here to Hamilton, Missouri. And for 2 days, we have these workshops and classes that you can rotate through and just learn from everyone in the industry. It's so fun. It's one of my favorite events. And so we just announced the dates for that, June 10th and 11th of this year.
Yeah, no, that's the best. Literally, back in the old days, that was my favorite.
It's so fun. It really is. And it's just...
Well, you're just filled, yeah, because you're just learning. And then you're like, oh, well, what? And then there's a bunch of different things that you can learn, too. So you, sign up for classes that are, different than you might normally, do. And then you're like, oh, all of a sudden I'm loving, this. It's like, oh,
exactly.
I didn't think I'd love this.
So the schedule for that event will release on Valentine's Day. So you can be watching for that. And then registration opens on March 7th. So put that on your calendar. I know you guys won't want to miss out on those tickets. And I'm pretty sure someone will put a link so you guys can check out more about it that we've already
But that has the dates. Right there.
Yeah, the event dates, but it just doesn't have all the details.
Were we supposed to tell them the event dates?
I did.
I
think I did. June 10th
and 11th?
Yeah.
If you weren't supposed to know that,
now
we
you know.
apologize. Don't tell anyone.
No, I think we want them to know so they can plan.
Yeah, plan.
Yeah.
Plan to be here.
Yeah.
June.
Yeah.
Mark your calendars
Yeah,
out.
usually June in Missouri is lovely, so
Yes.
we would love to have you come
A
see
good
us.
time of year to visit,
And
for sure.
they say that we're supposed to thaw out this week, so I'll believe it when I see it.
Seriously,
It's
man.
so cold.
It's 12 degrees. The cars don't want to start right now. It's like,
All of our friends to the north are probably like, you guys,
yeah, like
you don't even
babies.
know.
Okay,
You don't even
all right.
know.
Yes, okay. Touche.
Oh, it's true. Well, I think that's it. We just wanted to take a minute and, check in with you guys. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, anything else new that?
No, we've been doing great.
Yeah.
We have new drivers. Do they know that both of our kids are driving now?
I don't know.
So we have 3 kids, but 2 of them are driving. So we're getting more things going on. We're juggling more.
It's
Not
true.
necessarily the best, but also very nice and convenient in most cases.
When they can run errands for you, that's true.
When they don't come home until, midnight, that's
not fun. Yeah, I think that's at least a misconception I had when I was a young mom. I was like, oh, when my kids get older, I'll have so much more free time. It's not true.
Some people here can relate.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Sure you can. I'm sure you
Oh, parenting sometimes.
can. No, but they're so much fun.
Yeah,
and
they're the best.
They're good kids, but they keep us on our toes, that's for sure. No.
Anything else? You have anything else going on?
I don't think so.
No.
No. We're just, working on quilts, sewing away as we do.
Tuesday, Newsday?
Tuesday.
This is enough, right? It worked? This worked.
I think it's good.
It's recording? Was it recording? Did you hit record?
Yes, we did.
It's on standby.
It's not on standby.
We'll see you guys.
Bye, guys. Have a great week.
Yep.